Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to convert your screenshots to be able to see them as JPEG images on your PICO projector for your cookies. In this specific case, I will be using a USB to store my photos, but you can also do a direct link from your laptop to your PICO using a mini HDMI cable, as I've discussed in my previous video. Now, as soon as you pop in your USB onto your computer, it should pop up and it'll give you a screen like this. And usually what I like to do is I like to make a separate folder just to make sure that I know where my photos are in case I have anything else on my USB. The way to do this is you'll right click, you'll select new, select folder, and then just make sure to name your folder something that you'll remember so that when you go back, you know that that's where you stored your photos. Once you have your USB set up, what we'll do is go ahead and go onto our website to get our fonts, and that is dafont.com. And as soon as you open that website, you'll get a lot of options for different fonts, and you basically just pick whatever is most of your liking. Usually I have several different favorite ones, but sometimes I just pick whatever is on the front page depending on what I'm making. And also just know that every time you click on one of these fonts and you go back using the back arrow, you'll refresh onto new fonts. So if you really like a font, make sure you remember the name. Once you've selected the font that you want, you'll get a little option that says custom preview. You'll go ahead and write in whatever it is you want to write on your cookie, on your cake. Once you have that, go on to select a size and then hit submit, and this is where you get the words that you need. Now, in order to take a screenshot on a Windows, you will press your Windows key and your print screen at the same time. And I'm not quite sure if you caught that, but once you do that, it kind of flashes and you'll know that you took a photo. And here's another one, just a little bit quicker. So just keep watching for when the computer screen flickers. To find your screenshots, head down to the search bar and type in screenshots, and a folder should pop up that is named screenshots. Go ahead and select it so we can move on to the next step. This is where we're going to convert our images from screenshots onto actual JPEGs. So you'll right click, select open with, and then select paint. And this is where we're going to edit the screenshot to the piece that we want and not the whole thing that we took pictures of. Now, to crop our photo, what we're going to do is go to the upper left-hand side where it says select. We're going to go ahead and click that, and then we get a little cross cursor. Just go ahead and highlight the piece of the words that you need so we can take everything else out. Once you do that, hit crop, and you get your words for your cookies or your cake. Go ahead and hit File, Save As, and select JPEG so that this can be able to transfer it into a photo so that your USB can read it on your PICO. Once you hit save, just go ahead and click OK on that little warning, and then I'm going to just repeat this process for you a little bit sped up. But please let me know if you have any questions or you had any doubts. And also, if you want to watch the method that I use for the Apple, for anybody that has Apple computers, there's also a video and I will link it below. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.